Anyway, so everything is almost done. Just go for the lips. And what I'm gonna go for, actually, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna maybe use this color. I'm gonna just swipe the lip balm. Oh, look. Okay, and take that color and see. Yeah, this one is cute. This one is NYX liquid suit, and number 9. Cool tea and cookie, as I remember.
With our best moves, we get groovy. My oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us.
Okay, this is a little bit looks like strong, but I'm gonna wear something black as like small roses with this color, so it'd be nice. So yeah, I guess after I finish like wearing everything, I'm gonna come back to show you the final look after wearing. So yeah, this is for this makeup. It's very natural, very like soft, and I really love it so much. I love it so much. So yeah.
They wanna be like us. Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na na na.